State legislators head back to work tomorrow with a lot of Michiganders hoping for some financial relief amid the COVID struggles.
On the table is a big request from the governor for money to help cash-strapped cities and businesses. Grant Herms joins us now, and Grant, lawmakers have a lot on their plate and only, about 9 work days left this year.
Yeah, just about 9 work days left, Kimberly and Devin, but they are supposed to have a call tomorrow with the legislative leadership to start these discussions, but it's no secret where they stand, and there is not a lot of middle ground.
I think 2021 and 2022 are going to be some of the toughest times facing municipal governments, certainly since the Great Recession. Perhaps even worse.
Today, mayors and business leaders from across the state pleading with the state and federal governments to offer some kind of relief from COVID as the pandemic hits its worst stretch in 8 months. The Monday morning press conference just 1 day ahead of lawmakers returning to work in Lansing for the final days of a lame duck session where the governor's request for COVID relief looms large. Governor Gretchen Whitmer asking leadership to approve $100 million for a state-backed stimulus, an extension for unemployment benefits, and expanded public health measures, namely a mask mandate, made state law. Today, Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey's office saying in a statement he's glad to see the governor reverse her position that there is nothing she can do for the workers and businesses, but added we are not able to endorse the governor's plan without having access to the details, specifically a funding source. Democrats say time is running out and something must be done.
I don't think the legislature has a choice. I'm really hopeful, and I'm going to be working really hard to make sure that we are dealing with the unemployment benefits extension in particular, and that we continue to have discussions about mask mandates and anything else we can do for economic relief as we head into the holidays and into the possibly a harsh winter.
The legislative Democrats and Governor Whitmer have been asking Congress and the White House for some kind of federal stimulus package. And last week, Speaker Lee Chatfield said he hand-delivered a letter to the president about COVID relief funding. Now, Democrats say they haven't seen that letter. We've asked for it multiple times, but we haven't gotten a copy of it either. Devin?
Well, Grant, talk about the other issues that we should be expecting here as we see lawmakers going back to work.
Well, beyond that stimulus package, election security is going to be front and center. There are hearings starting tomorrow in the Senate. Also, guns in the Capitol. Democrats say they're going to continue to push for that, especially as we talk about more COVID restrictions going forward.
We'll be watching. All right, Grant.